Hello, my dearest students, and welcome back. I know, exams are coming, and the tension is probably getting a little high, right? Well, today, I have a treat for you. We're going to cover a chapter that is so easy, and it's a fantastic way to grab some full marks for sure. We're talking about Excel charts. Yes, you heard me right, full marks. So just take a deep breath, relax. Don't you worry, Butcho. I'm here, and I promise to make this so simple you'll wonder why you ever worried. Let's get you ready to absolutely ace this part of your exam. Okay, let's just jump right in. Have a look here. On the left, what is that? A big table just full of numbers? Kind of confusing to look at, isn't it? Your eyes just go everywhere. But now, look to the right. Wow, a beautiful, colorful chart. You know what? It's showing the exact same information, but it's so much easier to understand at a glance. This, my dear students, is the magic of charts. A picture is truly worth 1,000 numbers here. So you might be thinking, okay, that looks great, but it must be really difficult to make. No way, not at all. I'm telling you, making a chart in Excel is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, in just 3 simple little steps, you're going to be a chart-making pro. So what are these magic steps? It's this simple. First, you just pick your data. Second, you go to the Insert tab and choose a chart. And third, boom, voila, your chart is ready. It's almost like magic. Come on, let me show you. All right, step 1, select your data. Now, for this example, let's say we want to compare the total sales for our different products. So you just need to select the product column and the total sales column. That's all. Just click and drag your mouse over them. Simple. Okay, next up, step 2, we're going to insert the chart. So you look at the top of your screen. In that menu, we're going to click the Insert tab. See it? Then you just move over to the Charts area. Now, since we're comparing different items, a column chart is just perfect for the job. You just click on it, that's it. And there it is. Step 3 is done. Just look at that. Excel just does it for you. It automatically creates this awesome chart. You can see all our products are neatly lined up at the bottom, and the bars show exactly how much sales each one made. See? Asan Henna? Okay, so you're practically a pro at making charts now. But to get those full marks, you need to know what the different parts are called. So let's quickly go over the anatomy of a chart. Now listen carefully. This is really important for your exam questions. First, we have the x-axis. Some people also call it the category axis. It's that horizontal line that goes along the bottom. Just think X is a cross. Easy to remember, right? This line shows all the things you're comparing. Like in our chart, it was the toothpaste, the shampoo, and all that. And if you have an x-axis, you must have a y-axis. This is also called the value axis. This is the line that goes straight up, the vertical one, and it's all about the numbers, the values. It tells you how much. So for our chart, this shows the sales, the amount in rupees. And finally, there's this little box called the legend. This is so important. Think of it like a key for a map. Without the key, the map is just lines. The legend tells you what all the different colors or patterns in your chart actually mean. It's the decoder in for your chart.
But wait, there's more. And this is the fun part. You don't have to stick with the boring default look. You can actually become an artist and give your chart some style. Let's find out how to make your chart look absolutely amazing.
So whenever you click on your chart, you'll see the special menu pop up at the top. It's called Chart Tools. Now, the 2 most important tabs for you are Design and Format. Think of these as your magic wands. This is where you can change everything, the colors, the styles, so much stuff. And you don't need to be some professional designer, not at all. Because with just one click, you can change the entire chart completely. You want to see? Let's check it out. Ta-da! Look at that. With just one click in that Design tab, we changed our column chart into a pie chart. Now, a pie chart is fantastic when you want to show how different parts make up a total, a whole. So, for example, you can see how much each quarter's sales make up the entire year's sales. Each little slice of the pie shows its share. It's so clear. All right, so you know how to make a chart, you know all its parts, and you even know how to make it look pretty. I think you're ready for the exam. So how about we do a quick check, a little pop quiz with a real exam-style question. Okay, here's the very common question you might find in your exam paper. Pie charts should not have more than blank categories. What do you think the answer is? Is it 10, maybe 20, or is it 7? I'll give you a second to think. And the correct answer is 7. Yes, 7. Please remember this number, bachcho. If you have too many slices in a pie chart, it just becomes a mess and it's impossible to read. So the rule of thumb is 7 categories, or maybe even less. This is a golden tip for getting full marks. Okay, so let's do a super quick recap of everything. What are the key things to remember? First, charts make data easy to understand. That's their job. Second, it's just 3 super simple steps to make one. Third, you've got to know the parts: x-axis, y-axis, and the legend. Fourth, you can change the style and type anytime you want. And fifth, the golden rule for your exam: a pie chart has a maximum of 7 categories. Got it? And just like that, we're done. That's it. You are absolutely ready to score full marks in this chapter. It really is that simple. So from the bottom of my heart, all the best for your exams, my dear children. Just go in there, be confident. You are going to do great. I know it.